बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मोहतरम ख़वातीन व हज़रात, अस्सलामु अलैकुम, good evening, and on behalf of Kashmir Education Foundation, let me welcome you all. Ji Ayanu, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, and Khush Amdeed to this charity dinner. Thank you very much to come along.
Well, the ambience is great, the hall is great, and I'm sure you'll enjoy this evening. Ladies, you look really gorgeous, mashallah, very beautiful, very charming. And gentlemen, not bad. You all look great as well. And I hope that your smiles, your participation will make this evening a real fun, not just a charity event, but a real fun.
Eminent educators like Sayyid Hassan Bilgrami and Sayyid Amir Ali, along with Allama Iqbal, sat on the subcommittee which formed the constitution of the All India Muslim League. If London played a pivotal, important role in educating these prominent leaders, then all of us here in London have an important role in identifying and educating the future community, business, and political leaders. A question often asked of us is, what does KEF stand for? Does it stand for just building more educational institutions? In the presence of the founding chairman, Jalan Rahim, and other KEF colleagues, I feel some reluctance in answering this question. However, as a student and educator, I feel education is the development of our unique human abilities, such that it enables us to shape our destiny, understand ourselves as individuals, family, and society, and resolve our problems in a way that common good is enhanced. Allama Iqbal summed it up in one of his famous couplet, "Khudi ko kar buland itna ki har takdeer se pehle, Khuda bande se ye puche, bata teri raza kya hai."
Next year, it will be after Ramadan, sometime in September or so, we'll be coming back to London again. Now what we need is some help from you. You can help us many ways. You can sponsor a child or a teacher. By the way, the reason I'm saying teacher, because those teachers, they come for the further education or further training, they could not afford quite often. So we have to give them Qarz-e Hasna, and they will pay us back once they have finished, once they've started their job. So we have to fund them, as well as some of the, quite a large number of children who can't afford. So you can sponsor a teacher, or you can sponsor a child, or you can have a standing order, or you can pay as much as possible.
I have been coming to UK for the last nearly 12 years, every year. And of course, mainly these events have been held in Bradford and Leeds. And I turn up every year like a bad coin. They must be fed up with me, but first time that I am here in London on a formal function, for which we have been trying very hard for many years, but have not made it until now. And I'm delighted that we have found a team which has done the work and have now on our map the London chapter, which I'm sure will be the leading support for KEF in the future. I say that because only about 4 years ago, when the earthquake struck Azad Kashmir and NWFP, one gentleman who had come and visited our school, he, with a few of his friends, actually 5 of them, he asked us, what can he do for these earthquake people? And can he donate a school? I said, well, you are doing a work which many of us have been dreaming of. And lo and behold, he with his colleagues, and they're all from London mainly, donated nearly £150,000 for us to build that school. with another 50,000 or so donated by the Kashmir Education Foundation, UK. So we know that people in London, Pakistanis and others, they understand the value of high quality education in the modern competitive world. And I'm sure that we'll have your support for the future. Why Kashmir Education Foundation? There are thousands of other NGOs and schools working there. Why did we find the necessity of starting this type of school? The reason is that our trustees firmly believed that Pakistan was falling behind in this competitive world, knowledge world of the 21st century, and there was a need to at least give a few of the children from the most underprivileged communities in Pakistan, which are in the villages, the type of education which will enable them to come into the mainstream, to get into the positions of policy making and leadership.
It is a treat to watch such a lovely event. Jan Saab, it is an honor to be here with you, and it's an honor to be here with a group of people who want to change the mindset of the country. And I'm sure this is the attitude, this is the correct trend that our country should step in. And our pace should be to help and assist all those who are willing to help the children. Nation has just, the cream of the nation is the children of the nation. And the children of the nation are educated properly. I think nothing better than that. And you're into a very noble cause. Please accept my heartiest congratulations on having a very successful event. And congratulations to the Ilford, people of Ilford, Awam, मुल्क के रहने वाले जो इल्फर्ड में हैं, बहुत मुबारक हो आपको. You've done an excellent thing.
सचमुची